Hey guys, so today we're going to learn how to cook Langgonisang Lukban. First, this is just an option. You can remove the thigh by getting a pair of scissors. And then make sure not to poke the Langgonisa, just cut the thigh. Our Langgonisa is about 2 inches, and so later if we cook it, you'll see that it will not shrink. Place about half a cup of water. Do not add too much water, and also do not add oil before cooking since it will release its own oil. And then let's place the Langgonisa and cook under medium to low heat. Once the water evaporates, it will render some fat since this Langgonisa is 80% meat and 20% fat. Once you're done cooking, let's serve it now. So let's have the Langgonisa with a little bit of achara and suka with garlic and paminta. There we have it. Yum! And of course, we almost forgot, we have the garlic rice. Alright, before we end this, let's have a little montage.